Here at the Efteling Grand Hotel souvenir shop Arcadeau, visitors are greeted by mannequins that are anything but ordinary. These figures, styled like elves from Droomvlucht or like small children, have their heads replaced with plush stuffed animals, many modeled after Efteling characters. The result is an uncanny mix of human-like bodies and whimsical animal heads. Let's take a closer look. Is this supposed to be the cat from Dance Macabre? If so, it's missing his trademark colored eyes. Ooh, creepy, right? Let us know what you think. Is this Efteling's Imagineering at its peak, or just nightmare fuel? Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out one of these other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and join our socials.